Okay, now we're recording again.
Yeah.
Good boy, Jack. Good dog.
Good boy.
Gidget's just not sure. Gidget's just not sure she really likes that water stuff.
What was it for you this time, Jack?
Jacko.
Maybe here she goes. I see a shell, like you say.
Oh! You're fine, Gidget.
Jack! Come here, Jack. Come on.
There he goes. Good retrieve, buddy. Good job. Good job, bud.
Good boy. Good boy.
There's the stick, Dad.
Go a little far afield, buddy.
What do you think, Gidge?
Because it's wet.
He's smelling ducks, I think.
Could be right.
They both are. There's a lot of ducks down here this time of year. Okay.
Buddy, you ready? I haven't thrown you yet, Jack. Jack.
Good boy.
Yeah, I'm a fetching boy.
Good boy. Good dog. There it is. Ah,
Oh, good fetching dog.
what a good boy. Here's my stick, Dad. Throw it again. I like that. I like that fetching sticks.
Here you go again.
Jack. Over here. Okay. He usually hears it. That's pretty far you can get it, buddy. Go get it. Wrong stick, bud.
Over there, Jack.
There you go. Out. Attaboy. Look at him go.
Good boy.
What a guy. What? What a good boy. Come on. What a good boy. He's definitely got some skill, Dad. That's good skills, buddy. Big hole here. Here. Ugh. Okay. You ready? You ready, son?
Just for your throw. Alright. Hurry, Jack. It's got a current going for it.
Go, bud, go!
He's catching it, though.
He is! Come on, bud!
Oh, stuff through there, buddy.
What a guy. I think now that he knows what we want him to do.
Yeah.
Ah, he says, yeah, I like this outdoor stuff. Okay. That's a bird Gidget. Okay, Jack. Jack.
Be careful, it's going faster this way.
So I was going to throw it that way. Jack. Jack. Go get it. It's right there. Atta boy. Good job, buddy. Good job, bud. Good job. Yes. Oh, that's it. Look at the two of you. Sussex Spaniels in their natural habitat. Muck. Good job, Gidget. Oh. I think he's having a really good time, Bruce. He dropped it right there. I want to get better. Hold on just a sec.
Okay.
I'm going to stop this and then I want to start it again.
Okay. Ready, bud?